yarefo, obi obeka no bia omba yarefo. Say something new. Say something new about me. Kase again wabɔ ne ho mbɔden. Nana Donkor wabɔ ne ho mbɔden.
Alright, abusiafo, aha ye Ghana Nsɛm TV, ye best friend mo say mo best subscribe to the channel no na mo fa ma dwen share bra comment section. Ya me share nyina. Abusiafo, Nana Donkor NDA or the reply abre Ghana J0ll0f any NPP fo a o ma ye video eya no. Abusia o kan sem bebre ewo video no mo. E na wo comment section so a Ghana fo amanu ya papa. Na insem na ye mami Nana Donkor ata all can say onim se ni ba yare onim enti mu yan se ni ba wo ema o ye yarefo ne ade no wati abre enti enya ade a sa yiya no ebe han na onu Nana Donkor anka video na mo ye no anka mu ka se okodi wodi obisika na anase wakoboro sika na wantwea ne saa nyama na anka no bi na mo ka anase wakobo ahyawo bi moon bi na aise mo ache no mo ne hu videos na de ade na mo de ba monte a anka no ne be ha no be paase mo be ya ne se ene ma yare ni ade no o san koso se o se muna mo kasa se ne ba ne ma yarefo mo krabo niska no no baby awo no ne hu aton ne hu atone mam ne hu atone pa na o se ebi mukra no mu ni kunu o se emu mukra ebi bebre mu ni kunu mu ni ekunu a edi mu nti na muti ab no so a ejimi ebusiafo mame nsem mu no mo mayenko na yenko tie the emotional Nana Donkor ata na yenim se on bekasa ba the way kasa no hu ni stage ni emotions the way all the kasa no obe hu se debi
Omba yarefo obi obeka no bia omba yarefo. Say something new. Say something new about me. Kase again wabɔ ne ho mbɔden. Nana Donkor wabɔ ne ho mbɔden. Onko school or ba yarefo. Na so ba social media he waye brebi ama no ka eno na ka. Kase ma bɔ me ho mbɔden wa adenche. Me ba ha mamba mba ya kwadro mamba di agro. Mamba mba ye nsekuo. Mamba mba ye nyankofo frɛ kɔbɔ. Mamba mba dwane ni mean fight. Mamba mba ye saa niama no se ye. Nembo I have been able to do well for myself precisely. I have been able to do it. That is what you should do. Oh, can't copy before from my na ba yarefo de nse matesa yatia bro atia bre obi obema na no su bia obia ka foforo ka bibi foforo wo ba be ka bibi foforo madeka Nana Donkor akodi obi ka o Nana Donkor akodi obi ka mo entumi entia o Nana Donkor akonya amani ade a obetimi aka fa no memba yarefo memba yarefo so wo mba amon so wo muti wo mufie comfortable home with enough space to fool around. Ayarefo no wo baby sete ebinim kra wo mu ni ayarefo no wo mu hihye kiosk nkitinkiti mu media yankopon dan roma ayarefo no wo mu have fun. I am sick and tired of that. And our friend Nana Donkor and obiala sorry your video and obiala your video mam and menko ana ma wo yarefo menko a say ya menko anka ya chimatum anka ma ye tabu anka ma ya ade obi nye bida etaya ponchi a oje wo etaya ponchi a oje wo ka bibi foforo. I have been able to sit here nkrofo wo mo audio niama wo mo keka na de onti bi mfa me ho nti ma ya ade peneme mom peneme enya bone enya de bonyafo ene wo mo wo ayarefo obi obaba ka bibia fa me osisi abe me wo mo nkrofo wo mo kase wo mo nseme wo mo ka Ghana asemi ka bi wo mo nse wo ba ba ya me afa bibi foforo bra fa bibi foforo comes with something else. Remember starting and yarevon who cares? Who give a fuck? Who cares? Wanna if I want let me buy for one more down so. Yeah, Obi Besra win chain. My friend, said Brabeso me buy a phone na me woman copy bibi ye. Metemasio, comfortable zone. Comfortable zone. Me who side and say we get dinner, ya bell row and cower after a bettery. So we get din, ya bell row and cower after a betty. So to me, for to me one, and I have Nana man Cassava, Nana don't respond, Nana don't respond. As some of the catch your money. When you Tantanya, may you be Montimuja. A nimbo down for ya, may you be Montimuja. Then Yakupon so I not do a yano. Oh, more when nim Tantine, I offer bibi. My old Ford, you go me cocoa, any ash foam, my one 9 body yayi, face ya muntu. It is okay. Unyani na. It is more than okay. Unyani na la da. Ni nyala enko. Untimi nyeni mu fe. Na unya body fe. Na unya suban fe. It is okay. And when we don't know, it is beautiful. You go with the eyes, you go with it. That can be before from. That can be before. Obia. Every day I'm coupon. Now watch your camera. And I won't buy your phone. Obey market techi. And can buy ya bear market techi so to me for phone. Bear ma. Obey ma what dream was a say p. Obey me say winyansa. Obey ma yes your toy to a true bear man cuckoo. Obey ma won't film padie bebrebe ye back of the ball bar. No so baba ye yana donkana dear nan. Me dog my men casam in true. My men casam and fun true. Me dog. A hanum na me wo. A haya na me wo. Me still. There will be a becabia. And mother for more be when you'll be a woman. And your first time knew. That was 5 years ago. And the ya come a banner yare. Now feed the woman come a banner yare. I feed the woman the banner in your account. It is okay. It is okay. Oh dear, and the fa. Wo dear no Nina won kwala wo nia ye amen on kwala na wa wo no wo na ye okay amen o yokodu honhom on kwala na wo de wo ma be wiase wo ina efi wo ti ekopem wo na yase wo nan ro wetintife bibia len touch ma wo ho a amen bi wo de mo wo de Nyankopon bo wo no ofi wo soro kopem na yase webusuam a wo fi webusuam asante na wo fi okunda busuam wo maame no wo mabusuam wala wo bibie no ho obie no ho a ne ho kura touch ma wo amen enye ho ma amen wo ufi a wo fi mu kakraka no wo ni oha obie no ho yare ewo wo fie ho wo si so a wo nyinya wani fie wo mo nka nkyere wo se na wo nua bi wadanfo bi wo de wo nkrofo mo hu nia obia no sonten esikyirama wo mo ya kronkron amen enye ho ma na wo de won sa ba akwa de atene me so no me do enan no ehwew se bibia la ni mu fie bibia la krowe ma ye wo asma ya fani say yare nti ya fani say disabled and disability na so dey precisely obi opododo krowe mu and it to me this social security e de ma oba nti enya nti wo de mo bibia you okay ma o good mo nkoso move forward ever, backwards never. So baba beka bibi fufra. Matia bro. They say Matia bro. Matia bre. I am tired. Come for something new. Precisely come up with something new. Ka bibi amako ye. Ka dwaman bi amako akobo. Ka krono bi amako akoye. Ka obi amama buna jenins. ka enimguase sembi kabibi amaye na dia ahye me yefo mu buso me nkro ayem hyehye Yankopon awen di atum me ni hu nimdie biala na Awurade na la krokro asue me na sense from so abaso a eye amen mashallah eye Awurade ono na odema ono wa so na ogie sa na ya yeka no enti Awurade na odo mama me wo me se wo ni webusu asante a ofim obie ne ho ane ho atochimada amen ufi a ofim o papa ne busiem wo maami ne busuem obia le ndu ho a oyare ye ebia bibi owo asma ebia wo sisi yalewa ebia wo yi appetite high blood pressure menkoa ena me fia amen for you enye homaw me say se me ma obon kwan a mo be wuro me nka wa papa ye hye me say e dey afa me shoulder eno so de lalai esnusio no poof madam romantic mo hye me ayi enuade ahoban monko monpopo monpanko bubu wo pako no knowing po say wo dey kra so sen me dia ta wo no eso sen me de my comfortable me magiatum me nkwala na magiwo matum acceptance is the key and I've accepted it precisely. I am making good out of it. As a matter of fact, look at me, look at this, how beautiful body can do. Look yeah no and yeah no and he no said ya ufa baby ala obehumi get comfortable wherever you go. You got to see me get comfortable.
The matter that was dealt with in this house in your absence, which the majority leader invited you to clarify, was a matter of great concern to me. And I was very eager to pick your direction and guidance on the matter. Mr. Speaker, you resolved two matters, as I understood it. The first one, Mr. Speaker, you resolved the matter of whether or not the bill is pending, which therefore can be assented to by the president. And Mr. Speaker, you gave the direction that the 8th Parliament dissolve with all its uncompleted acts. And therefore, the bill which was passed in this house died with the 8th Parliament, no longer exists. Mr. Speaker, quite clearly, that position is in consonance with the position taken by the minority leader and this side of the house. And with the greatest respect to the majority leader, I'm sure the majority leader himself will concede that the position he articulated or submitted in respect of that particular matter is at variance with the guidance the Speaker rightly gave. Then the second one, Mr. Speaker, which is what the Honorable Sweeney spoke to. Mr. Speaker, you said there have been certain proposals to make the bill better, and which is what the minority leader pointed out, that if you have realized that the bill that was passed by the 8th Parliament was not fit for purpose, and therefore, Mr. Speaker, and therefore you have found it necessary. Mr. Speaker did not give specifics as to what are the specific proposals or variations to make the bill better. But the point the minority leader made is that there seems to be a certain concession that the bill that was passed by the 8th Parliament was not fit for purpose, and therefore it has been revised for this 9th Parliament to consider it. So, Speaker, it will be very interesting for us to find out what are the specific areas which have been revised. Because, for example, Mr. Speaker, one of the contentious issues which came up in respect of that particular bill was the issue of human rights. Let me conclude. Let me just conclude, Speaker, by saying that let them bring the bill as it was and as was passed by the 8th Parliament in the same form, and shape. Don't change it. Don't water it down. What the Ghanaian people want is to have a law which promotes good sexual conduct in Ghana and which prevents LGBTQ. Don't go and change the 8th Parliament bill. Don't go and water it down. Don't go and revise it and bring it to the 9th Parliament and have the President assent to a bill which is not fit for purpose. We want the 8th Parliament bill for the 9th Parliament to consider. Verbatim, don't change it.
Please.